Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I created my vision board, this vision board in just 5 minutes using AI and Canva. Yes. So if you want to create a unique, beautiful vision board this year 2026, then keep watching this video. I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how I was able to do that. So let's go. So first of all, I went to ChatGPT. I made a list of my goals, 6 of them, and then I asked ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT, these are my goals. Give me a prompt to create images with myself in these places. So ChatGPT gave me the prompt, but then I realized that I needed ChatGPT to include that the image reference should be the image I'll be uploading. Because remember, I want to be in these places. I want to see myself in these places. So I had to upload my image, and then ChatGPT recreated the prompts for me and included this very important prompt. Use the uploaded reference image of the woman for face, skin tone, hairstyle, and identity. Very important. ChatGPT gave me the prompt for these images, and that is all we need here. Now, after that, I went to Google Gemini, Google Gemini to create the images. So you can use any image creation app or software or website, but Google Gemini just does it for me. So the first one I did was upload my picture. So make sure you get a clear picture of yourself that is showing your face well lit up and no distractions. Okay. So I uploaded my picture, pasted the prompt, and this is the first picture that Google Gemini gave me. Like, isn't it beautiful? This is me in vacation location looking pretty. So guys, if you don't like anything in these pictures, don't forget to go back to ChatGPT and tweak it. Okay, if you don't like any image, just tweak it to whatever you like. So now this is the second one. I did the same thing, and this is it. So this goal, I want to be invited in a speaking engagement this year. So this is the image, me speaking to people. So in case you're looking to invite me, I'm available. And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Rebecca Ike. I'm a data analyst, and I'm also a data analyst instructor. So if you're interested in that, then follow me. All right, so now this is the next one. I'm going to show you guys the one that almost made me cry. Like when I saw myself there, I'm like, oh my god, it felt so real. Like you will see it. So this is the one I created. The next one. So this one is me working at a full data analyst job. So I want a full remote data analyst job this year. So this is the image. Now we're getting into the theory part. Yes. So this is the one that got me teary. I almost cried seeing this. Okay, so they're trying to take in and believing that this year I'm going to carry my 2 bunts of joy. And when I saw it, like I was touched. So this is beautiful, really. Then the last one is this: me speaking to young ladies. Okay, about emotional wholeness, wealth, God, and everything. So this is it. So this is the last one. Now all you have to do is just to go ahead and download these images one after the other. So after you're done downloading the images, then you can go to Canva. So I'm going to go to Canva. So this is Canva. Then I'm going to search for collage. Just search for collage templates. So picture collage templates. So isn't this beautiful? We have so many, and you can do more than 6 pictures, depending on what you want. So these are different collages, and they are so pretty. Like I don't even know which one to choose. Okay, so I'm just going to select this. So I'm going to click on this. So I'm going to select this. So I'm going to click on this. So this is the template. So the next thing to do is just to go ahead and edit these images. Okay, these images here. So I'm just going to just leave only 6 picture frames here. Okay, so I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete the frame, everything. I'm going to leave this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm also going to delete this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm also going to remove this, and then I'm going to adjust. I'm going to adjust this. I'm also going to remove this. You can keep it anyway. It depends on what you want. I just want my pictures to be bold, like I want to be able to see them very well. Yep. So let's start. Now let's start putting the images in the picture frames. So I'll just select this. Then I'm going to just drag it to this picture frame so that it fits perfectly. Then I'm going to select this. Then I'm going to drag it to this. And you see that it works perfectly. Then I'm going to select this and I'm going to drag it to this side. Then I'm going to select this and bring it here. And then I'm going to select this and then put it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I think it's remaining this, put it here. So you see, with that, I've created a vision board so easy in less than 5 minutes. What do you guys think? So after this, I'm going to definitely download this, then go print it out and paste on my wall. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and let me know if you're going to be trying this out. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.